Saying things isn't a good enough excuse when you are just sitting right there. I know you ain't just gon' stare.
Trying to go record. Just passed out. Do you see this? How are we supposed to get shit done if these niggas don't sleep?
I'm ready to go, man.
Aries, you ready to go?
I'm ready to work, man.
Ready to go for a walk?
I'm ready to work, man.
You ready, Broccoli? I guess.
It's Yo, look at this. It's blood up Freddy, like.
Yo, first of all, hold on. Look at that. Oh my god.
Let me know where you at.
You see that?
You at Mad Max's crib, right across the street. It's my nigga Hooligans.
There's a garage across the street. Welcome back to the CherryBombZ vlog. We got today ceremonial part opening knife. Bonziolo as usual. Here it is. The box.
Back like a kid at Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Opening up that new box. Like Byron when he come home from the club, opening up that new box.
First performance mod. I went out to AAM Performance and I got test pipes. God damn.
That's what a test pipe is?
Yeah. That's up. Resonated test pipe. Here we go. Piece the box. This is what comes in the box from AAM Performance. These are the resonated test pipes and it comes with hardware. So I just gotta install this when I get some time, but they're supposed to enhance the flow of the exhaust. Also to increase the sound while minimizing drone and rasp. Also, these are 2.5 resonated test pipes, so AAM also has a non-resonated version as well, but I chose the resonated so that, you know, it give me more of like a quieter but like more aggressive sound, I guess, just to mute a little bit. AAM Performance uses T304 16 gauge stainless steel piping with T304 stainless steel flanges. They're all made in their manufacturing facility, so this is just handmade. So when you order, they go to work. It took about 2.5 weeks to get to me. So this is to replace the catalytic converter, which leaves a lot of power. And this will just be like a straight pipe, and then with the resonator in there as well. And again, it's just to increase the exhaust flow and also give it a beefier sound. Man.
Welcome to the concert, you know what I'm saying? This right here, I call this the Mad Max pad, you know what I'm saying? Got a lot of things going on in here. Let me show you some things. Come on, keep on recording. Let me show you some things that make Mad Max, right? Check this out, son. I got the 04 750 Zixer sitting right here, ready to get worked on. Let me move the Hummer. You know what I'm saying? All it really needs is a starter, you know what I mean? New switch right here. Got the new helmet, you know what I'm saying? Look, I had the GoPro thing going. Action, go check
Oh
it
wait,
out.
you got the GoPro piece right here. Wait.
Yeah. Oh, don't break it.
Can you
Oh,
take
oh.
that off?
I can't take it off.
Can we like put it on other stuff?
Absolutely.
We need to use that.
Absolutely.
Alright, so when we do install these test pipes, this is basically what you're doing. You're removing the catalytic converter, which is this here and that one over there. And it's a pretty simple install. We just need to unscrew this bolt. And there's one back up in there. Drop it off and put the new one back in here. That's gonna make it lighter and, you know, give it more power. So that was the unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like, subscribe to see more of the Black Cherry Z, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.
Yeah.